Dong is not someone I would want as a friend or an enemy. I could feel it the moment I saw him.
They say there's an officer with the strength of a fist.
Let's begin. Listen.
Right.
Over here! No.
No.
My might shall illuminate the path to victory.
Now go.
We have joined together to ensure that justice is done. First, let us pass through Sishui Gate, and then on to Moya.
Take this.
Take this! We are here to protect you. Let us head out.
The lords are advancing.
We must keep pace.
Onwards! Push! Forward! We must reach Sishui Gate first!
Some sort of joke. A minor official like that would dare advance before a member of the Yuan family.
Just as expected. Now we can get behind them!
Everyone, stay calm. Let our allies protect the rear of our forces. Keep your eyes forward. It's even again. Now we must turn the tide of battle our way.
This appears to be as far as we go.
What happened to the rear guard of Yuan Shu's forces? Why hasn't anyone come? Take pride in your valor. We cannot allow the likes of them to divert our attention.
The enemy officer
Push
has been
on!
defeated.
Start the advance!
Something about this battle doesn't feel right. We speak more of our allies than our enemies.
We are now in control here. Keep up this momentum, and we will take Sishui Gate. I will break it open and take all the glory. Follow them. Start the advance. I will break you.
The enemy officers has been defeated.
This appears to be as far as we go.
As long as I am here, Sishui Gate will not fall! Have at you!
Too strong.
You have our support! Is that all you have to offer? Bring out the next soldier! Impossible! I've been waiting again! Human! Is it over already? I expected more from the coalition forces!
Dong is laying waste to our forces!
What? But he's just one man!
Typical of Lord Huashan. Let's take this opportunity to attack.
Get advancing!
This is tough, no matter how you slice it.
Cannot hold out for much longer. I can't die in a place like this.
We follow your command. Give us your orders.
The enemy officer has been defeated.
I must fall back.
Truly amazing. I'm happy to have you in our ranks.
Cannot hold out for much longer.
I will not let any of them come close to the General. I will be his unbreakable shield. Each of them was desperate to claim glory for themselves, only to be routed. I suppose numbers alone are not enough. This is not working out. My training not enough.
This appears to be as far as we go.
Take this.
Time to act.
I must retreat. Continue without me.
I'll allow others to take the glory today.
Our allies appear to be disorganized. Since we have greater flexibility, we must step up to support them.
I must live up to the expectations of my benefactor. I, Genji, will ensure victory
The
by
enemy
any means
officer
necessary.
has been defeated.
This is... I can't lose like this. Curses. My reign cannot end here.
Let's go.
Here's the resistance is futile. Let's end it.
I challenge you to battle. Prepare yourself.
Got me.
While I still draw breath.
No way. Sorry. Thanks for the help.
The battle is more intense than I anticipated.
The enemy officer
Fight without complaint.
defeated.
Let's go. All would be lost if I were to fall here.
I shall withdraw for now.
You should be on.
This is bad. Someone doesn't get here fast. We're done for.
Looking rough. I won't be able to take care of this all on my own.
Where did I go wrong? Things don't look too
The
good.
enemy officer has been defeated.
This appears to be as far as we go.
Let's go.
I can't die like this. I need to retreat.
This appears to be as far as we go.
Take this. Just the right time.
Quickly, lend us a hand.
Take this.
The road ahead is thorny, but walk it we shall. How do I come back from this?
Time to act.
Harsh as things may seem,
Let's go.
I will not accept defeat. You sensed our difficulties then. Now that you're here, we shall eliminate our foes.
I won't give up. Not while I still draw breath.
Take this. Time to act. All my might.
Failure.
The enemy officer has been defeated. Starting to get fatigued. At this rate.
Get back! Get back!
Take this! Take this!
You should be honored.
The enemy officer has been defeated.
I shall put an end to you with my intellect.
Failure.
The enemy officer has been defeated. Let's go.
I foresaw this victory before it even happened.
Take this. Time to act.
You've done very well.
The enemy
Good to
officer
know I can count
has
on
been defeated. Let's go. Take this. Huh. Yeah. Let's go. I'm afraid I've got no choice but to fall back. Really amazing. I'm happy to have the enemy officer has been defeated.
Obey my authority.
Never underestimated an opponent so badly.
Let's go.
Things are looking rough. I won't be able to take care of this all on my own.
This is not working out. Is my training not enough?
Here's the resistance is futile.
He may not be able to make it through this.
Where did I go wrong? Things don't look too good.
Take this. Take that. Take this. Very good. The enemy officer has been defeated. Let's go.
Lose heart, and you lose the fight. No giving up. To the bitter end.
Harsh as things may seem, I will not accept defeat. You've sensed our difficulties then. Now that you're here, we shall eliminate our foes.
Come to help me out? I would be a fool to refuse your aid.
Excellent timing. Mind lending me a hand?
Hey, over here! I knew you were coming, but I didn't think it would take that long.
I must stay sharp. All my might.
Can't believe this.
The enemy officer has been defeated.
Don't stop. The sun's here.
Good for me.
The sun's here. The sun's here.
On to attack. Time to act. The enemy officer has been defeated.
Cover some ground.
Time to attack. What's next? officer has been defeated.
Let's go.
I shall put an end to you with my intellect. Got you.
Take this. Now. Time to act. Time to act.
This is getting tough. Maybe we should call for help.
Take this. Take this. The enemy officer has been defeated.
Must fall back.
Let's go. These should be sufficient numbers for the frontal assault. We shall attack from another direction.
Let's go.
Face me one-on-one.
Let's go.
Yes, our front has advanced far enough now. Let us aim for the enemies at Sishui Gate. Let's start the advance.
Sishui Gate is extremely well defended. Capturing it will take time. Yes, let us use our catapults to weaken their morale.
Let's take a breather here. We'll see what the enemy's up to.
Prepare for pain!
The enemy is planning something.
Time to act.
We should mobilize a rear guard.
Start the advance! End this here!
Our preparations are complete. Begin launching the stone.
Take this.
All my might. Can't believe
The
this.
enemy officer has been defeated.
We're being bombarded! Help!
An opening. The enemy officer has been defeated. This territory is ours.
Now the real battle begins.
Let's go.
Wait. We need to assess the situation.
Let's go.
Very well. And now's the time for our attack. We shall go as well. Cut into the enemy's flank.
Be ferocious!
More enemies!
I have no time for these swarms of vermin. Is there no one who can face the mighty Yuan strong?
I'm done with this!
One-on-one? I'd like nothing more. Smash them to bits!
Take this.
Take this!
Tear you to pieces! He's aggressive. Looks like we've got a real fight on our hands. You see it all. This is the end for me.
The enemy officer
Yo,
has been
something
defeated.
else. Take pride. For you have failed the great Huashuang.
My word, someone defeated Huasho. Such valor deserves high praise indeed.
Prepare for battle. Chop chop. Let's show them what we can do. Take this.
We saw this victory before it even happened.
What's next?
The enemy officer has been defeated.
Take this! Time to act. There we go! Take this! Time to act. Time to go on the offensive. Get ready, everyone! What's next?
You think you can pass through the gate so easily?
Just don't make enemy officers like they used to.
Very well. Accept my praise and be thankful for it.
Advance! Stick close to me, now!
My ambition cannot be stopped.
What's next?
Fear the tiger of Yuan Dong.
I'm making my way up!
The enemy officer has been defeated.
You're finished.
Let's go.
I'm raring to go.
The enemy officer has been defeated.
I must fall back. But I shall be vindicated next we meet. Splendid work indeed. Well done, everyone.
We finally made it through Sishui Gate. It was a tough fight, but you all fought bravely.
Thank you, my lord. I have learned much through this ordeal.
I had a bad feeling before the fighting started, but we turned it around in the end. I've been meaning to ask. Are you sure the army is ready to move out?
We've run out of other options. If we can't agree here and now, then the whole coalition could fall apart.
Yuan Shu, Yuan Shao, Sun Jian. There are embers smoldering in many camps tonight. They're all so wary of one another, they can't help but get in each other's way.
And we're guilty of it too. With the way we've dithered the whole time, it may no longer be possible to defeat Dongzhuo.
Don't you think Yuan Shu crossed a line back there? Lord Sun Jian has every right to be furious with him.
He has brought shame upon the House of Yuan with such conduct.
There's nothing in particular that I'm aware of. There may be a simpler explanation. For instance, perhaps he feels he was deprived of his moment of glory.
If that is the case, then his actions are even more unforgivable. All of us almost lost our lives.
Lord Sun Jian is fuming about this incident. He said was going to bring it up with Lord Yuan Shu himself. It seems yet another obstacle stands in our way before we can defeat Dongzhuo.
Lord Yuan Shu, what were you thinking?
What do you mean? Oh, you mean my actions in the battle? We had the important task of defending the stronghold. There wasn't time to think about those who rushed brashly out to the front line.
Rushed out? We may have pushed the vanguard, but we didn't plan to go that far from the stronghold.
Is that so? Then I must have been mistaken.
Lord Yuan Shu, let me be very clear. I apologize if you think I overstepped my mark. However, I will not forgive you for putting my men in danger for the sake of your pride.
For my pride, you say? You think I would be jealous of a petty magistrate like yourself? Well, here is some advice for you, Sun Jian. It is better to back down gracefully than bark incessantly. If you want to live, that is.
You...
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Yes, that was quite the mark you made. Guan Yu and Zhang Fei, you two as well. Although... I am a little concerned about the coalition forces. They seem to have trouble with cohesion. Well, you may remember Lord Sun Jian and Yuan Shu arguing during the battle. And while you'll see some troops praising each other's valor, others are berating their ostensible allies over their ancestry. With relationships so fraught, it's hard to imagine things working out.
It is easy to say we're fighters united for a cause, but we must remember that we each have our own motivations.
There are those concerned about the way of the world, those moved by call to act, and those who want to take Dong Zhuo's place. They squabble simply because they each have a different end goal in mind.
Hey, come on. What's with all this depressing talk, huh? We won, didn't we? It doesn't matter what anyone else does. What matters is that we do what we can, right?
You're right, Zhang and I really should learn from your outlook on things. Very well then. Let us rest and prepare for the next battle.